Welcome to another video, and in this video we are going to the Bash Bish Falls. It's in the Massachusetts, but there are multiple entries. We went from the New York side. We parked our car in the New York parking lot, and if you're coming from the Massachusetts, they have parking lot on the Massachusetts sides as well. And the parking is free, at least on the New York side. I don't know about the Massachusetts side, but yeah, it was a beautiful fall, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So here we are at the Bash Bish Falls parking lot, but we are good just so. Fafra.
અમે એવું જ કરીએ છીએ અમાર ખાન લઈએ વિચિત્ર
ગુજરાતીઓને ખાવા તો જોઈએ. New York State and Massachusetts ni border. It was so much fun, and I'll see you in my next video. In my next video, we are going to a waterfall again. I'll see you in my next video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends.